Later actor Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta Singh Kirti has urged everyone to stand together for the truth and demand justice for her brother. Shweta also urged Sushant followers to use hashtag #WeStandUnited for SSR to tweet, retweet and share. Sharing a picture of Sushant, Shweta wrote, "United we stand, truth we demand. Only the truth is revolutionary. Sushant Singh Rajput is not a name, he is a revolution." Sushant was found dead at his Mumbai home on June 14. Initially, Mumbai police had said that it was a case of suicide. Prime accused and Sushant's girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti and her brother Shovik are currently under arrest as a part of investigation in the case. The death is being investigated by the CBI, Narcotics Control Bureau and Enforcement Directorate. Actor Kartik Aaryan on Tuesday treated his fans to a midnight workout picture of himself on Instagram. The Pati Patni aur wo actor was seen wearing grey vest. Kartik captioned the post, "Midnight workout, was so busy doing nothing in the day." Actress Bhumi Pednekar reacted with fire emojis on Kartik's post. The picture received a lot of attention from his fans. "You never stop being handsome," one user commented. "Wow," another user wrote. On the film front, Kartik will next be seen in Dostana 2 and Bhool Bhulaiya 2. Late actor Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Kapoor's daughter Ridhima Kapoor Sahni is celebrating her 40th birthday today. Ridhima had a low-key birthday celebration with her family in Mumbai. She also shared a collage of pictures on Instagram. In the photos, we can see her cousin Karisma, Kareena, brother Ranbir, Alia among others. Karisma took to Instagram to wish Ridhima. She wrote, "Happy 40th birthday, so glad we got to celebrate with you." Kareena took to her Instagram stories to post pictures from the birthday celebration. Actress Sushmita Sen is quite active on social media. The diva recently shared a cute video with her boyfriend Roman Shawl using an Instagram filter. In the video, both can be seen goofing around while using the puppy filter. Sushmita captioned the post using hashtags such as love, laughter, happy vibes. Roman was quick to respond. He wrote hashtag Nazar na lage. Sushmita recently made a comeback after 5 years in the web series Arya. Actress Sunny Leone is currently in the US with her family. Meanwhile, the actress is taking care of her fitness. Sunny recently shared a video on Instagram where she can be seen practicing aerial yoga for the first time, and well, the results are hilarious. She can be seen struggling to balance her body. Sunny wrote, "Who said trying new things was easy? I'll get it, you will see. Now stop laughing at me." On the work front, Sunny will next be seen in Brahm Devi and Coca-Cola. Actor Hina Khan and Dheeraj Dhoopar's new music video titled "Humko Tum Mil Gaye" is finally out now. Sharing the video on Instagram, Hina wrote, "प्यार का असली मतलब समझा हमने जब से हमको तुम मिल गए." The song is a romantic number and showcases a journey of a couple. Dheeraj and Hina were recently seen in Nagin 5.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.